Okay, wow. First time that happened, went over 15 minutes. Sorry about that, but this is a big topic to finish up. Okay, so looking back, biodiversity is important because of a number of different services that the ecosystem can provide. And these can be roughly divided up into provisioning services. What does the ecosystem provide? And clearly food, materials, medicine, water is all part of that. Regulating. So there's a number of different things that are regulated by a working biodiverse ecosystem. Lots of things there that we can look at the regulation of. There's also supporting. So an ecosystem will support other things, and in particular life and what else can be living in that environment. So clearly the formation of soil, photosynthesis to provide energy for that environment, and nutrient cycling are done well by biodiverse and working ecosystems. I mean that more things can grow there. And finally we have this cultural aspect. So as humans we have an economic importance to do with biodiversity in terms of providing these things and regulating these things so that we can use environments. But also there's a cultural significance. They're much more beautiful and aesthetically pleasing and probably have a spiritual relationship. Even on the economic side of things, tourism is higher. So when we think about our Great Barrier Reef, or in South Australia, leafy sea dragons or the giant cuttlefish at Whyalla, if we have our marine environments working, there's a tourism base there as well. So from the aesthetic, spiritual, recreational, well-being and even economic point of view, biodiversity is so important to maintain. So how do we go about this? Well, clearly personal behavior has an impact on lots of small things done by lots of people can have a huge impact, and there's a selection of different things here. But as well as all these different things that we can do to mitigate our environmental impacts, some of the big things involve personal choices at a different scale. So as citizens within a society, especially a capitalist democratic society, we have two main sources of power. One is our money. So what we choose to buy and where we put our investments and how our super is done. I know these things aren't necessarily maybe what you were thinking about at the moment, but super and taxes spend a lot of money on different things. So having some say about where those things go and thinking about how you spend your dollar has a big impact. The other kind of side of things is, as a democracy, again, we have the opportunity to vote. So supporting representatives and politicians who align with your views on the best way to support our environment is another major choice we have within a democracy. So I hope you've enjoyed studying biology. Biology is an amazing thing. The world around us is so full of wonder and joy. Let's try and keep it that way. So we'll just finish off with a note of make choices that mean that biology is here forever and will be here forever as well. Thank you.